This is a block and tackle. A block and tackle is used to make it simpler and easier to lift a heavy object. The way it makes it simpler and easier to lift a heavy object is due to its mechanical advantage. Imagine that you have the arrangement of a 100-pound weight suspended from a rope, as shown in the picture above. If you are going to suspend the weight in the air, then you have to apply an upward force of 100 pounds to the rope. If the rope is 100 feet long and you want to lift the weight up 100 feet, you have to pull in 100 feet of rope to do it. Now imagine that you add a pulley. Does this change anything? Nope. The only thing that changes is the direction of the force you have to apply to lift the weight. You still have to apply 100 pounds of force to keep the weight suspended, and you still have to reel in 100 feet of rope in order to lift the weight 100 feet. Now imagine you add a second pulley. Now you can see the weight is suspended by 2 pulleys rather than 1. That means the weight is split equally between the 2 pulleys. So each pulley only holds half the weight, or in this case, 50 pounds. That means if you want to hold the weight suspended in the air, you only have to apply 50 pounds of force. The ceiling exerts the other 50 pounds of force. If you want to lift the weight 100 feet higher, then you have to reel in twice as much rope. 200 feet of rope must be pulled in. This demonstrates a force-distance trade-off. The force has been cut in half, but the distance the rope must be pulled has doubled. This is the case no matter how many pulleys you add. You'll have to double the amount of rope if you have 2 pulleys, triple the amount of rope you have to pull if you have 3, quadruple for 4, and on and on. And that's the mechanical advantage of a block and tackle.